Hello everyone, welcome to Legris Vlog on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X. And I'm here in Nha Trang, Vietnam. And this is like the, I think the fourth, yeah, I think so, fourth day. Alright, here in Nha Trang. I'm enjoying the beach every day. And now it's a little bit cloudy. And there are few people who are swimming right now, but still good. And let me show you the waves here in Nha Trang. Here it is. Alright, don't forget to like and share Legris Vlog on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X. And this is the wave. Ooh. Wow! That's really nice. And we're also live on TikTok over there. So let me show you again the buildings here, the hotels, different hotels, beachfront up to there. See? And there are like tiny islands over there, and also the green fern. So it's nice. And then here another hotel. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. I'm enjoying it. Nha Trang, Vietnam. Amazing. Now we're going to maybe try to see what's under the sea. Alright. But so let's try it. Under the sea. But let me check first my thing. Alright. Because I think it's going to rain again. I don't want everything to get wet. So here, that's my phone light. Okay, I have them here. So here I have my bag. Everything is here inside good. Let me just secure it using the raincoat. And I'll put it. Okay, good. Now we're ready to go under the sea. Under the sea. Yeah. Here. Wow, there are 14 viewers. Oh, it's really raining. Woo! It's time. The waves are like really high. Woo! Woo! It's really high. It's so powerful. Waves are so powerful. Oh, see, it's too high. Alright, I'm going to... Ah, look at the wave! Woo! Woo! Nice! Woo! Another wave! Another wave is coming! Woo! What's under? What's the under? I don't know if you can hear me, but let's see. What is that? No. Okay. Yeah. Under the sea. Here's it. Yeah. Let me check. It's too sandy. Here's another one, and another one, and another one. Woo! That's really high. And here another high wave. Wow. See, people are coming in now. We're getting more and more. Wow. coming. Woo! Oh, the wave. Oh, it's too high. Oh, the wave is too high. The wave is too high. Woo! It's really wavy. Here's another one, and another one. Oh my, it's too salty right now. Oh, what is that? 6 meters. Oh wow, it's pushing me. Ah! Wow, the waves like pushing me going to the shore. All right, so that's it. Let's take some let's take some rest. Oh, I'm tired already because of the wave. Oh, here's another one. Oh yeah, and another one. Woo! Woo! Another one. Yeah. Yeah. It's really good. Yeah. They're going to. Whoa. Okay. So that's it. And thank you so much for watching me, Legger's Vlog on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X, and another one. Oh, it's painful. Legger's Vlog, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and X. Bye bye. Woo! Break, I think. Oh, look at the birds. It's a little bit cold now. Legger's Vlog. Bye bye. Ooh.